Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you can't hear, it's not daytime, it's nighttime. And you might remember this space, you might not. This is actually my grandparents' shed. Yeah, this is the OG space for me destroying shit. Oh, that's just my dog. I was like, what the fuck is that noise? Anyways, here we have an old charger. This resulted in a bad day. I got pissed off because this plug didn't want to stay in. It hated staying in the wall. I got mad, ripped it out of the wall, threw it out the wall. So, I don't need it anymore, but my microwave friend can use it. Let me go ahead and go over here and turn the lights off for the neighbors to see. My clock is bright. I can't see. We're just going to press random buttons until I can find a button. That's not what I wanted. That's not what I wanted. I didn't want 30 seconds. Do a minute and 15, so that won't take long. That's a... Oh, God! That fucking scared me. I think those are capacitors that are going right now. Oh, those are batteries. Oh, my fuck. Oh, shit! Nope, those are capacitors. Oh. That stinks. I don't know what's gonna go first. The fucking... I'm gonna let it go. Oh my God. That was so loud. It's almost done. I don't know what's gonna trip first. The thermostat or... It's almost done. Yay! It's done. Oh my God. There's a nice little fire in there. You can't really see it, but the camera does not pick it up. Ew, open. Ooh. That stinks. Yeah, that might be quick, because I don't want to fucking... I gotta make this quick. Oh my... Huh? Oh, that's just the fan. I was like, what the fuck? Why are you doing that, you possessed demon? That stinks. If I don't hurt myself... Ow. That. Oh, that's the lower deck. Ouch. Well, there's the whole shed. It's filled with smoke. If you can't look in here. Oh my God, that is seasoned. You can't see it, but it's... Well, let's get it out. That's going to be the fun part. You can't really see it. That's the thing. I can't just put... Oh, I can. Oh my God. Yeah, that's crisp. I gotta clean this microwave too. Oh God! Okay, we're gonna unlock this door and turn the lights off. Yeah, I don't think that fucking plug's gonna piss me off ever again. Oh, it stinks. Well, that thing scared the fuck out of me when it just went kaboom. well, that's about it for that plug. I'm gonna see y'all next time when it's not fucking dark out.